Hi there, we visit Oland Islands today. The Oland Islands, or Oland, is an autonomous region of Finland. Comprising around 6,700 islands, this Swedish-speaking archipelago is in the Baltic Sea. The flag of Oland is a yellow or gold Nordic cross with another red cross inside on a blue background with the vertical bar shifted towards the hoist side. It is intended to resemble the Swedish flag defaced by a red cross symbolizing Finland. Mariehamn is the capital and only large town. The euro is the sole legal tender, although most businesses in Oland unofficially accept the Swedish krona. Oland Island's population density was 18.6 per square kilometer. The population in 2020 would be around 30,500. Swedish is the sole official language. Finnish also has a presence, although it is small. Only about 5% of Islanders are Finnish-speaking. Veronica Thornroos is a Finnish politician from the Oland Islands. She currently serves as the Premier of Oland, a position she has held since November 25, 2019. The island's landmass occupies a total area of 1,527 square kilometers. Oland's economy is heavily dominated by shipping, trade and tourism. Shipping represents about 40% of the economy, with several international carriers owned and operated from Oland. The national animal of Oland Islands is the red deer. It is a ruminant and belongs to the Carpidae family. White-tailed eagle. This impressive bird of prey is well established in the archipelago and the national bird of Oland. About 2.5 million visitors come to Oland every year between May to September. The average life expectancy is about 80 years in Oland Islands. The Viking Market in Saltvikkarnbo gets about 10,000 visitors and has become a hugely popular event that is one of the largest of its kind in Scandinavia. You can meet modern Vikings from Swedish, Finnish, British, German and Polish Viking associations. 23% of the electricity on Oland comes from wind power. Thank you for joining us in our journey to explore our world. We hope to see you again. Please subscribe.